Welcome back to Thriving in Balance, and thanks for being here. This week, let's talk about Sunday breakfast, baking for those less fortunate than myself, tree trimming, and some awesome foods that I've made during this past week. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, and get notified when new videos are released. Let's get into it. Good afternoon from Southern California. It's sitting about 70 degrees right now. There is no sun out, but it's actually very nice weather. I'm on my second week of vacation. I feel like I've done 1001 errands and I have actually had no downtime, but I'm trying my best to get some downtime. I go back to work on Monday. I am preparing for dinner tomorrow, and I am also volunteering to cook 2 turkeys for individuals less fortunate than myself, and I'll be picking those up this evening and cooking them this evening to take back to the organization in the morning so they can serve a full dinner to people who are unhoused in our area. That all said, I hope everyone has a good sunrise ceremony if that's what you celebrate. If you're getting together with family and friends, be safe if you're driving, and I will see you next week. Please enjoy the rest of this video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss another one. That's it for now. Sunday breakfast. I don't know about you, but this is my love language. Cappuccino, acai bowl filled with fresh berries, banana, and granola, avocado toast with a poached egg on a bed of arugula. The morning walk is always so relaxing, and this day it had just rained all night and the air was crisp and clean. My heart smiled as it was my 3rd day off. Anyone who knows me personally, knows that Christmas is my 2nd favorite time of the year. I love decorating and embracing the spirit of the holidays. Tree trimming the black tree was the highlight of my week last week, and these are some of my favorite ornaments. I have a glass crystal spider on my tree for good luck, and Jack Skellington, which is always on the tree, and I just love that. It makes me very happy. I cooked 2 turkeys for the Scott Carson and Dan Ferbal Community Thanksgiving Dinner. This event was established in 1987 and provides a hot Thanksgiving meal for those in need on Thanksgiving Day. This brings me a great deal of joy to participate. A week of eating. These are the meals that I made. Spaghetti squash with Italian sausage and pork meatballs. Keto pancakes with strawberries, a coconut whip from Trader Joe's and bacon. Stir-fried shrimp, broccoli, and cauliflower rice. And a vegetable frittata with turkey sausage. If you'd like the recipes, comment in the comment section and I'll send it over to you. It is that time of year when I start to get introspective. That Joni Mitchell song, River, creeps into my music mind and I reflect on the past year. Have I done all I could? Did I accomplish what I wanted to? Could I have done better? The answer to these questions is yes, but I know I need to be kind to myself, and so should you. We are all works in progress, and holding to strict goals can be harmful to our emotional health. Stay healthy, find joy anywhere and in everything you can. For those who are celebrating Indigenous people's sunrise ceremony, I wish you a beautiful morning. Those who are gathering tomorrow with friends and family, be safe if you are traveling. Thank you for spending your time here with me today. Are you thriving and balancing your life? Leave a comment and let me know how you're doing that. Until next time.